my lovely guys, nice to see you visiting my channel, Karin's Orchids. Well, today is Saturday evening, and I think I'm gonna post this video tomorrow on Sunday, so that will be the day before my birthday. Yay! So, well, last year I did a very nice birthday haul from Sweden Åkessons, quite a large one. Well, I'm not going to repeat the amount of orchids, but I just figured why not make this one from Lucke Orchideen in Germany a little birthday haul as well. So recently I've just been postponing the unboxings, and I split them up. Yeah, and unboxed perhaps the two of them in a video virtually about Vanders. So yeah, that's how it's been done this summer. Well, I think that's why not try something different? It seems like you're just repeating yourself and just yeah, follow your old routine, and that could be quite boring, not only for viewers but even for me who's creating the video. So a little bit of change won't hurt. And I would like to have some change of weather as well. I looked at the forecast, 2-week forecast, and it's going to be rain every day, every single day. And so far in July, the month of July, for the first 2 weeks, yeah, we had 10 centimeters. That's about 4 inches of rain. That's quite a lot. So it's flooding. Before that, we didn't have any rain, so the leaves started to fall. Yeah, not even matured. So, and the lawns were all dead or kind of yellowish. We had a hard time, difficult time, and the farmers weren't really having the time of their life either. So, so we really wished for rain, and here it is. Now, I think a couple of weeks in a row, and it will soon be 5 weeks in a row, every day. Anyway, while the rest of Europe is now suffering too severely hot conditions, we are being drenched up here. So, but anyway, what can you do on a vacation, sitting inside? Yeah, order orchids. So let's unbox it and see the content will be. Really fast delivery. I think that Lucke Orchideen must be located not very far from here. So the transport route might be a little bit more smooth and direct. So, whoa, peanuts are falling all over my floor. Yes, halfway wrapped, shall we say? Halfway wrapped up. So I've sealed them, the top here, so it's just semi bare rooted. No. Yeah. Cattleya, Jaguariuna. I will give you a pop-up on its parents. I forgot whether it's a primary hybrid cross or a hybrid, yeah? So, and it is flowering size, 24.90 euro. Quite nice flowers. I believe it had quite a lot of inheritance from the Mossii, the species Cattleya Mossii, with a very frilly lip and a lovely, also frilly petals and sepals. So I love the Mossii, with its around 16 centimeters wide flowers across the petals. So I think that the Mossii grows very well in here in my conditions. That's why I choose this one. Yeah. And I've been looking at it several times. I just maybe next time, maybe. But I just wanted it. So, well, it's a good Cattleya. It's really a good one. A kind of good one, at least. Its newest growth there. The dried out sheath here. So, maybe something new is coming down there at the base, but it's hidden under the layer of bark. So, shall see. It's not a bad sized one. This is a mossy eye. Yeah, a full-grown mossy eye is about this size as well. So it's a medium-sized Cattleya. So it surely did inherit a lot of stuff from the mossy eye. I do have my old mossy eye still. That is still suffering, I'm afraid, but it is recovering, really. When I split it up in 3 pieces, it really took a toll on this one, but she will recover. Look at him. This one isn't very, very old. I had this one since, yeah, for 7 years, so it's only been mature for 5 years, so. Yeah. This has a little bit left, a couple of centimeters left to grow height-wise, perhaps, depending on what's in it, except for the mossy eye. I forgot, so, well, that's a nice one. And I think, yeah, this might be a Brazilian import, so maybe there are no roots down there, but who knows? So we shall see. We shall see what happens in the report or not report session. Yes, thought I give the Catasetum type orchids another shot. Another go. Shot. Yes, another go. So I ordered the Catasetum Orchidglade. Usually, deep red colored flowers, heart-shaped in a way. The background color of the bloom is usually white, so yeah, it's a nice contrast, so I liked it. I wonder what state it is in. It should be in good growing state. Ah, you can see the tips. Yeah, so it really is. Yeah, if it's been grown well, there might be a good chance on it blooming this autumn. Hey, this is a lovely orchid. Ah, look, good sized, yeah, really. 2 nice fat pseudobulbs. Sudden it's mandatory. What, blue? Mandatory moss, but yeah, nothing coming. I wonder how it blooms. I forgot if it blooms from in between the leaves or from the base of the pseudobulb. That remains to be seen. Doesn't matter. There's blue stuff everywhere. Yeah, it's a keeper. I like it. Yeah, and it's also flowering size, €24.90. Yeah, they are kind of expensive, so this is good price for this one. Even though it's a lot. Yeah. Here's the one I almost regretted that I bought. Directly after I pressed the send order. It's a cooler grower. Yay. Laelia, Jongheana, Tipo. That means it's colored a little bit purple-ish color. It should be a very small size Cattleya, around 10 centimeters. As a mature plant, 10 centimeters high, yeah. That's what we got. Around 10-12 centimeters tall canes. So that's totally correct. And it can grow quite a few new growth at the same time. Should be kept a little bit more cooler, so I'm not really sure what to do with it and or what to make out of it, so to speak. Kind of shallow root system, I assume. So we shall see. But I always loved and adored his flowers, but I've always been a little bit too scared to buy it. Then all of a sudden I just seem to forget everything I learned about this orchid. In a blink of an eye. I don't know what happened. My brain suddenly stopped, yeah. That happens. Brain fog or whatever. So anyway, let's make the best out of it, shall we? It's kind of rare as well. And expensive. Flower size, 27.90. So, yeah. Wow. Yay! This is a pleasant surprise. This orchid, as far as I remember, There is also a lot of inheritance from the Mossiae. According to the website, 2 years to flowering size, 1490 euros, so not so bad. But I can see now, LC, Laelia Cattleya, Isabel Sander, cross between Laelia Cattleya, Jongheana, yeah, Rex times Cattleya Mossiae variation Jongheana. So this is a really, really interesting cross, isn't it? I certainly think so. Let's look at it and see how tiny it really is. 2 years, you know. You know the drill, you know what 2 years flowering size always seems to look like. This is not a disappointment at all. Look at it. This one should be, I think, yeah, medium-sized Cattleya. So it's got a lot of Mossiae in it. Yes. So 2 years is not far from the truth, yeah. 1, 2, 3 new growth. That's amazing. What a lovely orchid. So happy I got it. It's kind of difficult to Google it and find out what its flowers are going to look like, but I have my suspicions. Well, I found a little picture on the, I think, Sweden Åkessons website. They had some kind of pin or whatever, a little picture or painting on a pin, or yeah, whatever, painting or such available. I'm not sure what it was really. I don't remember that either, but should be deep pink purple and with a smashing dark purple cerulean lip, I think. Such a gorgeous plant. Large flowers as well. And a lot of Mossiae and a little bit of Triumphal in it, so its flowers should be kind of wide, yeah. So nice. This orchid I just fell for immediately. Ring Cattleya, Triumphal, Coronation, variation Seto. If you Google it, its flowers seems to be the largest flowers ever made, man-made, perhaps. They look absolutely enormous, huge. But in reality, they were, I've heard, around about 12 centimeters, 5 inches. And the plant itself is kind of large, so but it can put up a good show when it actually blooms with this light pink, good pink color, deep light pink, not some kind of diluted pink, real pink, solid light pink. Well, the size, yeah, that was really correct when I did my homework on it. This one is really a huge sized, can you see? Cattleya. Good thing is pseudobulbs are going upright, pointing upright. Oh, look, bat-shaped form to its pseudobulb. I like it when I look like this, yeah? They're beautiful, shiny. Better keep them that way. That means loads of water. But it's approaching, we're getting there. It's really approaching maturity. Look, maybe on its next growth it will try to flower, but, well, I'm not sure about this one, but maybe it's next one, yeah. So, yellow, large lip with loads of frilliness. 1 year to flowering size, 22.90. So I think that was a kind of a decent price. Don't you agree? Of course, it's a division, but I think it's flowering size, yeah. So I'm really satisfied with it. A really good quality plant. This Cattleya. This is great news, yeah. This one I didn't even order. We usually receive perhaps a bonus plant from Lucke, but this wasn't huge of an order. as I usually make. So I got this one instead, so yeah, it's alright. I just forgot about the bonus plant anyway, so NPK 4, 4 and 3. So March to October. Yeah, I can use that one. This one as well. Simultaneously, as I'm using the I'm already using my curling fertilizer. Well, its content is really sinking, so it goes fast, so it's a good thing I have another one, yet another one, but and this rate, I mean, it will be finished, so that's nice. Thank you. And now over to the very last orchid, and this one looks like a real monster. Doesn't even fit the picture in the video. And it's thanks to you, Nina, from Nina's Orchids. Well, I got a bloody tooth for it. Laelia, yeah, Cattleya. Purpurata variation Estriata. Yeah, when I saw yours in our recent Cattleya Purpurata care collab video, when loads of people were, or channels were collaborating, yeah. We were showing you guys our Purpuratas, and you had this Estriata variety, and it looked so smashing. I've seen it before, but I didn't realize that it was so lovely, so... Well, now I can compete. That's not why I bought it, I just wanted it, yeah. I'm actually only competing with myself. Doesn't matter. There will always be a channel a lot more productive, better, and faster growing and more popular and blah 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 than mine. But I believe that as long as I'm doing my thing, it will feel good for me. Yeah. So I don't really need to replicate everybody else. That would be boring if everything had very same shape and form. Wouldn't it? Just like buying only Purpuratas. Look. Isn't this a heavenly sight? 27.90 euro for this flowering size monster of a Cattleya. Yeah. Look. It's almost 1 meter, 80 centimeters, 90 perhaps. It's the tallest Cattleya I have in my collection. Really is, and a large sheath as well. I wonder if shouldn't it be a little bit too late? Flower, it's not its season, but well, it is. According to my little Purpurata moon, which bloomed in end of August, I think, once. I still believe that this beautiful sheath has got a good chance on producing something, or perhaps next year. We'll wait until next year, but well, no. We shall see if this is only a blind sheath. A couple of new roots coming down there, or at least one. Should be something else hiding. So, thank you so much for this gorgeous, gorgeous looking orchid. So guys, that will be it for this time, and well, that was my birthday haul, and I hope you liked it as much as I did. Yeah, I'm really happy for it. Couldn't be more satisfied, so yeah, let's not hope I will receive any new Phalaenopsis from the supermarket as a gift on my birthday. No. Well, until I see you next time, guys, take care, and if you haven't already, so please do subscribe. It would be a nice little birthday present for me. It's for free, so just do it, yeah? Take care, and we shall talk soon, guys. Yeah, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.